places over here.
So nice.
Well, you know what? We're not even done. You got so far behind us. Super exciting. I know but it's great. Like, I love to be friends with you because there's so much space. Now this, as I
Alright, and now Lou is learning about our fabulous Active Step treadmill with Marina, and we'll see if we can match the colors to the baskets. No foul line.
Wednesday night.
just think of this.
I'd have to go visit the girls from school and babysitting until
Don't give up your day job here.
Oh my goodness.
I should have gotten behind it.
Oh, I need one.
get the mats in and get them down.
Oh, you gotta do that.
And have long arms.
You have to like curl it. You can curl it in. Oh, there you go.
So Lou is learning about physical therapy from Sarah, one of our mobile physical therapists. And now he's going to play a little cornhole to see if he can win some tickets. Yes!
Oh, close. One more. Yes. Good job.
Now Lou is learning about all of our group exercise classes from Miss Alana, who will be teaching about 8 classes a week for us. And we'll see how he does with his ladders. He's a pretty competitive guy here.
You're gonna launch it. So, do you want to play our game here? No pressure. Okay, I'm not. No pressure. Give me what's this about. Oh! Very good. Because this is seriously what's down. All right. Whoa! His heart rate's up now.
One more, Lou. Come on.
Okay, ready? Let's do it.
And now Lou is learning from Brooke about some of the workshops and the boot camps that we're offering and seeing how he does with his washer skills. Woo!
There you go.
And obviously, I mean, that's not my business. There he goes, stealing food again. Lou heard about the free food at the Housefit open house. I think this is his 10th sandwich.
You didn't want to put a bunch of rice up in the melt.